Okay, self-ISO update. There's no update. Like, it's still the same thing. I've been going up and down doing my work. Not really work, it's my school work. So I bring this LCD monitor here from Marlon, going down, up, down, out, down. So yeah, no updates. And I've stopped filming after that last video. The next video after that, I made a product review, but apparently the audio was really crappy. It wasn't, there were no audio. I think the lapel I was using was not sending audio to the camera, so it's like blank and it sucks. I was about to edit it, but anyway, might not have any updates as of the moment, because there's nothing really new. Just staying in the house, waking up around 12, trying to wake up at 8, but going back to sleep. So there's no update. That's just it for today. Oh, by the way, we have sinigang for brunch at around 3 p.m. Yeah, that's life. It's much better than waking up early and eating a lot in the morning and eating a lot at noon and eating a lot. I'm just trying to justify my decisions. Yeah, somebody's eating out a lot at night. Anyway, yeah, that's it for now. And I still have one video to make within, let me see, within 12 days, I reckon. I'm not sure if I can make it, but that's my assignment video. I need to get it done. Just need to catch up on my schoolwork and everything. So that's just the update for today. Stay safe, guys. Bye. So apparently I just finished editing the video I was filming yesterday just to catch up with the daily vlogs. But the thing is, I find it very short, and I want to make some rubbish nonsense to make it longer. So I'm gonna add out the video that we had with JM. It was way back 2016. We went over to Don's. It's gonna be crappy, but it's gonna be rubbish, but just gonna be after this. So yeah, that's it. Bye. Hey Siri, how are you? Wala ko ba po
How loyal to me. Sorry, mate.
Mate! Nabuwag yung focus blocker. Ay, malangkat ibong ko na earbuds. Kailan akong Zion Crane anyway? Manginanglan akong Zion Crane para stabilize siya. ISO 12800. Tracking the phone. The phone.
Gusto ko ako din pabalik ba? Kasi yan ako ba?
Servo AF.
60 na?
Huh? Roadworks? Diri rin eh. Kanina rin dito. Yep. We're traveling 40 on the freeway. It's so fast. 40. 40. It's already 100. Yeah, we're faster. Touchscreen. Ang focusing.
Nagpa-follow talaga siya.
Kaya hindi ko na on
yung
focusing. Facial recognition.
Okay, yung ano, APD.
Tingnan mo yun.
Kahit yung ginagamit, dapat gamitin mo. Para hindi ma-crack. Yung paint. Hello ko na yung tao. Meron ba dito niyan?
Tingnan mo muna. Baka nasa bahay.
Done. Delete. Ay, feeling. Ito yung 9 done na. Pwede try. Paano ito tanggalin yung ano? Oh.
May binili akong card reader. Sana aabot yun.
Gusto kong bumili na ano din eh. Yung Thunderbolt to USB.
Oh.
Kasi ito mag USB 2 lang.